The church in Zimbabwe is forging ahead with more unique activities in response to the interests and needs of the most unusual groups in the community. Recently in Glenview, Harare, on the 18th of October 2020, a total of 50 people were awarded with certificates of competence following a 20-hour business skills empowerment workshop organized by the church to benefit women once classified as ladies of the night. The church reached out to them in 2018 during an evangelistic campaign series where some of them were baptized as a result.
Here we came to assist the trainees with knowledge on how to run a business. We actually capacitated them. The program was so comprehensive. It was covering core issues on entrepreneurship, starting from capacitating the person with the right skills on character development, essential for success in the business world. Information about the market, information about how to run the business cycle, from business idea generation to writing a sound business plan. We were also giving them practical examples relevant to our economy. We are open for free consultants. We have given them 3 months and our mentor requested that we extend to 6 months. Yes, if they are willing, we can supervise their program for their projects. We can offer whatever advices they may need. We are committed to transforming lives. It is one of our core objectives to transform lives.
We have learned a lot. We have learned to have respect with money, and we have learned that we must spend less, not more than we earn. And we have learned that we must do a record keeping for our businesses. We have learned a lot. It was a great training.
Kune mamwe machechi azvimo, asi chinhu chikuru chandanyanya kuona musangano re7th Day Adventist, ndaona rudo nekusumudzira kune vanotambura. Ndo zvinhu zvizhinji zvandanyanya kubata, kuti vane rudo uyezve vanosumudzira kumunhu asina chekuita kana chii. Like sezvatiri vanhu vanorarama neutachiona, tiri vanhu vaya vanoraswa kure, vasina chavanoitwa, tinotarisirwa kunge chinhu chakafa. But 7th Day Adventist yatisumudza kuona kuti aiwa, muri vapenyu, mune chekuita, munotogona kutoita zvipenyu. Asi isusu mundangariro dzedu tiri vanhu vekungoti isusu tiri HIV positive, chii chatingaite. But ndatomutswa mweya wangu kutoona kuti ndinokwanisa kuita chimwe chinhu chihombe, ende ndine ndaramo futi yemakore. Ndezvino ndakutoplana more years to come than ndachingoplana zvinhu zve1 year. Chiti maybe I can die.
Ndaimboenda kuMalawi ndinotenga hapana chaibuda, ndaimboita huku hapana chaibuda, asi nekudzidza kwandaita nhasi ndofunga panext year ndiri business chinu yatichataura kuita business chinu.
So there's need for conscientization and training to create a good environment, a worship environment that will make this maybe go and win others into the church. So I would encourage the church to make use of these people when they come to church. These are not people who should just sit. Yes, they are doing their business projects, but they should be active in church evangelism programs. These are the ones who knows where others are, so they should go and fish others into the church of God.
The local conference and union leadership is fully supportive of the various nurturing and empowerment initiatives. Ellen White in the book Ministry to the Cities says doors of service are open everywhere. All around us are those who need our help: the widow, the orphan, the sick and the dying, the heartsick, the discouraged, the ignorant and the outcast are on every hand. For Mission Express in Harare, I'm Willie Watimba.